Here we go, guys. We have a 2004 Volkswagen Passat that I recently bought on Facebook Marketplace. I've actually already done a couple things to it. I went ahead and did the headlights, cleaned them up. Bought this on Marketplace, $1,300. One family owned. Did some research, asked a lot of questions. I think it's a pretty solid car for the money. So I'm gonna be having a couple videos coming on what I'm gonna do to it to repair it, what it needs. So let's have a look at the interior and the engine real quick. Here we go, let's have a look at the engine. This comes with a 2.8 liter, 30 valve V6. These are known overall to be pretty healthy. Not too bad engines. This one needs motor mounts. I can maybe show you a video on that later. Needs air conditioning, compressor, possible power steering, making some noise, and valve cover gaskets. I think that should get this all straightened out. Here we go with the interior. It's pretty clean. It's kind of got basic Volkswagen, leather interior. It's a little bit dirty. Definitely needs detail, but it's not ripped up. It's not in horrible condition or anything like that. Dash looks pretty good. You know, these don't age too bad. This body style doesn't, come across as old, even though, it is a 2004. So let's have a look at the back seat. Again, the back seats are dirty. Not sure what exactly they were doing back here, but just needs clean, not ripped up. The headliner's good. It actually has a sunroof. The door panel's not bad. So that's it. Let's get a couple quick walk around pictures and then we'll come back at it. Like and subscribe.